I would say it's easier to do when you have 50 sensors, harder to do when you have, 100,000. We don't know, most of our customers, we don't deploy sensors for. Most of our customers, we just give them a read pipe of the data or access to the API or whatever, right? The only other thing, like building an internet-wide distributed sensor network is really like getting something running in every region of AWS, Google Cloud, like the tier ones, you can do that in a weekend, no problem, right? Then getting it down to the ones sort of below that, right? Like the slightly smaller ones, the more regional ones, that is going to take you, a couple weeks, couple months, right? Then as soon as you start getting sort of below that to like, Joe Smith host, right? Which is like ultra local to Ukraine, right? Or something like AWS isn't in Ukraine, you know what I mean? Right. So like you don't get the same robust APIs and stuff like that. That's when it starts to get really tricky. Then you've got to assume that you're going to be burned. Like people are going to find out that something's a honeypot network. You're going to accidentally leak your IPs to somebody, something like that. Somebody's going to fingerprint you. Someone's going to just get in a internet measuring contest with you just to try to and try to fingerprint your stuff, and maybe they do it, maybe they don't. So you're going to have to burn them and turn them all back up. You can't just stand something up once, leave it there all precious. Like you're going to have to burn it. Not once, not twice, but again and again and again and again, right? So being able to handle that kind of stuff is those are some of the bigger technical challenges. Operationally, I mean, like starting a business, I don't know. You got to get the right team, stuff like that. That makes everything easier. You got to have a stomach for it.